Want to extend your Xfinity Wi-Fi range or use a more powerful router? Bridging your TP-Link router to your Xfinity modem router is the solution. This video will guide you through the process, allowing the TP-Link router to act as a Wi-Fi access point using your Xfinity internet connection. Bridging avoids double NAT issues and IP address conflicts, ensuring a smoother network experience. As of 2026, this setup leverages modern standards like Wi-Fi 6E and 7. Bridge mode essentially turns your TP-Link router into a simple access point. When enabled, the TP-Link router's DHCP server is disabled, allowing your Xfinity modem router to handle all the network routing and IP address assignments. This prevents conflicts that can slow down your network or cause connectivity problems. The TP-Link device simply broadcasts the Wi-Fi signal using the internet provided by the Xfinity device. Before setting up bridge mode, ensure you have the necessary hardware and software. You'll need a compatible TP-Link router that supports bridge or access point mode. Most modern Archer series models like AX73, AX200, or B800 work well. You'll also need an Xfinity modem or router with available Ethernet ports. Models like XB7 or XB8 are common and suitable. Ensure both devices have the latest firmware installed for optimal performance and security. Update the TP-Link router using the Tether app or web interface at tplinkwify.net and verify your Xfinity modem is a current model to avoid deprecation issues. This section covers the step-by-step process for connecting and configuring your TP-Link router in bridge mode with Xfinity. First, connect an Ethernet cable from one of the LAN ports on your Xfinity modem/router to the WAN port on your TP-Link router. Next, power on both devices to ensure they are ready for configuration. Then, access your TP-Link router's settings using the Tether app or by visiting tplinkwify.net in a web browser. Navigate to the operation mode or wireless settings in your TP-Link interface. Select access point or bridge mode and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the configuration. After selecting bridge mode, it's crucial to disable the DHCP server on your TP-Link router. This prevents it from assigning its own IP addresses, which would conflict with the Xfinity modem/router. You should also disable the firewall on the TP-Link router, as the Xfinity modem router will now handle all security functions. These settings are typically found in the Advanced or Network sections of the TP-Link router's configuration interface. Section 6. Cloning MAC address. In some cases, you might need to clone the MAC address of your computer to the TP-Link router. This is sometimes required by Xfinity to ensure proper authentication. To do this, find the MAC address of the device that was originally connected directly to the Xfinity modem. Then, in the TP-Link router's settings, look for a MAC address clone or spoof MAC address option and enter the MAC address you found. This step can prevent connectivity issues. Now, configure the Wi-Fi settings on your TP-Link router. You can choose to use the same SSID or network name and password as your Xfinity Wi-Fi for seamless roaming between networks, or create a new network name if preferred. Select a strong password and ensure you are using WPA3 encryption for enhanced security. This provides better protection against unauthorized access. Set the Wi-Fi channel to auto to minimize interference, especially in crowded urban areas. This allows the router to automatically select the least congested channel for optimal performance. Now we'll test and troubleshoot your TP-Link bridge setup with Xfinity. First, test your internet connection by connecting a device to the TP-Link Wi-Fi network you configured. Run a speed test using tools like Ookla to ensure you're getting your expected internet speeds from Xfinity. If you encounter issues, start by rebooting both the Xfinity modem router and the TP-Link router. Common problems include IP address conflicts, which can be resolved by rebooting, or firmware mismatches that require updating both devices. For extended coverage with mesh setups, follow TP-Link's Easy Mesh instructions to add satellite devices seamlessly.